Polygons, Part 1. State whether the figure is a polygon. If it is not a polygon, state what part of the definition fails. Polygons have three characteristics. In order for a shape to be a polygon, the polygon must have straight edges, which are also called line segments. Second, the edges must connect. If all the edges connect, then this is called a closed polygon or a closed shape, and all polygons must be closed. Third, the edges should not intersect. So that means that the edges of the polygon should not cross. For instance, if we have this figure here, this is not a polygon because these lines intersect. If we look at our shape that's given to us, this shape does not meet the first criteria. This shape has a curved line, and polygons must have all straight line segments as edges. Since this is a curve, we know that this is not a polygon. So our answer is D. The figure is not a polygon because it is not made of line segments. State whether the figure is a polygon. If it is not a polygon, state what part of the definition fails. Again, polygons must meet three criteria. It must have straight edges called line segments. The polygon must be closed, meaning all the edges must connect, and the edges cannot intersect or cross each other. If we look at this shape, the shape has straight edges. So the outside of the shape all consists of straight line segments. So it fits that criteria. The second criteria is that the edges have to connect. In other words, the shape is closed. All of these edges do connect. So it fits the second criteria. The third criteria is that the edges cannot intersect. None of these line segments or edges cross each other, so it fits the third criteria. Therefore, the correct answer is that the figure is a polygon.